What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ruined Nightmare Baba Chops from Poppy Playtime 4. For this character, we want to tilt the head down toward the left side. So let's start with the top edge of the muzzle. We'll start on the bottom left, curl this up towards the right, go across and then out. Now from these 2 points we're going to step in, draw 2 angle lines coming in for the nostrils. Now just up above the muzzle we're going to draw the edge of the hairline. So in the middle we're going to step up. I'm just going to curl this down and then up. Let's add 2 more curls. Moving down and up toward the side. And we'll do that one more time, coming down and then out. Now I want to tuck the eyes underneath the hair and the edge of the muzzle. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Start over on the left. We're going to curl this down and out with the inside of the circle. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now go down towards the side of the muzzle. Curl the outside of the circle, going all the way around and then up underneath the hair. Let's add a thick edge over on the left side. So from the bottom of the eye, curl this out and then up underneath. Do the same thing on the right. Then we want to fill the left side of the eyes in black. Now from here we're going to move to the center of the nose, step down, add a point. Let's draw the left side of the mouth. We're going to curve this down around the muzzle and then up towards the side of the eye. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, going out and then pulling that up. Let's add a fold, going out and then down. Let's move back to the center and draw in the teeth. On the left, angle this down towards the bottom, pull this in from the right, round this out, and we'll split the teeth in half with a straight line. Now I'm going to open up the mouth, but I want to add some stuffing popping out from the left side. So let's start underneath this fold, curve this down and then in. I'm going to add a series of curves, going all the way around, and then down towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's continue this curve across the bottom of the mouth, pull this up and then in on the right side underneath that fold. Let's go back to the center, step all the way down. We're going to add an oval. And then I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Now we're going to go back and add the outside of the stuffing. Starting up here, go all the way around. I'm just going to vary the size of these curves, going back up along the bottom. Now let's go back to the eyes and draw the outside of the cheeks. Starting underneath the eye, we're going to go around the corner of the mouth, come down, then in behind the stuffing. Let's go underneath the right eye and do the same thing, going all the way around. Just going to follow the curve of the mouth, coming down towards the bottom, and then back up underneath. Now from the side, we're just going to add a curve, going out and then in. And so will be the place where we place the ears. Then over on the left side, we're going to step down, curve the ear, coming all the way around, and then back in. Over on the right side, we're going to replace the ear with some more stuffing. From the top, we're going to step down, just add a series of curves going all the way around. Let's draw the top of the head. Starting on top of the left ear, add a series of curves coming around, go up higher in the middle, and then work our way down towards the right side. Now on the outside of the eye, I'm just going to close off the fur with a curve. Let's go underneath the ear, continue that fur going all the way around the head. And I'm just going to follow the curve of the chin, going all the way around the bottom, and then back up on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the top of the leg. Move all the way over towards the right. Go out and then down towards the same height. Now I want to curve the inside of the leg. Coming in and then down towards the bottom. And then these 2 points, we're just going to round this out. Now let's stick the legs along the bottom. Start from this point, curve this out, and then down towards the end of the leg. And then we want to see the bottom edge of the feet. So we're going to start up here, draw an oval. Coming down at an angle, and then back up towards the top. Let's go to the bottom of the oval, curve the leg coming in, and then up towards the bottom. Now we want to add a trim across the leg, so halfway along the top, bend this in, and then back out towards the bottom. Let's add a seam across the bottom of the foot, down and then in. Now I want to drape the arms along the side of the body. From the top, we're going to step over, bend the arm going out, and then down in behind the leg, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's add that bushy tail over on the left side. Start from the arm, curve this around and then down. Add 2 more curves coming back in. Now I want to add that skull in the center of the body. We're going to start from the left side, go all the way around like a circle, and back in on the right. And we'll add 3 sets of teeth. Starting on the left, curve this down and up like a half oval, and then add 2 more going over towards the right. Let's add 2 circles for the eyes on either side and fill those in black. And then in the center, we'll draw a small triangle and fill that in. Let's add a zipper across the center with 2 lines. And I'm going to tear open the left side of the body. Starting from the top, add a series of curves going around. Let's add a tear on the right arm. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our ruined nightmare Baba Chops from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.